percussionists, this is the bell portion of your lesson. We're going to still be looking at number 35, jump rope from page 9 in your Essential Elements book, but we'll be focusing on the xylophone part. So get those bell kits ready, guys. All right, so here we go, 35 jump rope. We are going to break it up into 2 measure chunks. So the first 2 measures, we've got ta, 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 or F, 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 G, F. And what I would recommend doing is starting that F with your left hand. So F, 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 G, F. And then we work on the next 2 measures. So now we cross over, right hand B flat. So that's measures 3 and 4. Again, it's B flat, A, B flat. So then the next 2 measures, 5 and 6, it's kind of like starting over. So we have F, 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 G, but here's where it changes. It doesn't go G, F, it goes G, F, D. And that's what's you're going to change your sticking for the remainder of it. So let's look at that closely again. So you get G, G, F, 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 G, F, D, B flat, and that's when we're in our next 2 measures, or our last 2 measures. So here, it's a little bit different. Left hand B flat, which is very easy to do. We started out like this. Now we're here. It's good to be able to do both. So now let's do a playthrough. 1, 2, 3. F, 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 G, F, B flat, A, B flat, 2, 3, up to F. F, 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 G, F, D, B flat, A, B flat. All right, bell kit players, spend some time with that one, please. Make sure that the sticking is accurate and that all of your rhythms are accurate and it sounds like the tune. So if you have any questions whatsoever, if you need any help, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All right, have some fun with it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.